This platform allows you to create up to 5-minute video in a single prompt, and also they get to give you daily free credits for you to create a video that can be up to 5 minutes long. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to this channel if you haven't, and drop your comments in the comment section. So without much ado, let's get right in. To me, I feel this is the only platform that allows you to create longer video of 5 minutes and beyond. Yes, right now for free. I'm telling you 100% free. This is not clickbait. This is what is working, and I'm going to show you, I'm going to prove to you that it is actually working. Trust me. Now, I'm going to paste the link for you to access this platform on this video description. Once you click on it to sign up, you are going to be given 100 free credits for you to create your video. It's not all about the 100 free credits you are going to be given, because we are not here for 100 free credits. We are here for something more than that. Now, once you get to this interface, just kindly come over here. Coming down here, you are going to see target duration. Now, this is where you can get to choose the duration of your video. As I said, you can create a video of 5 minutes. Can you see here? And absolutely free, for free. You are not paying a dime for it. You are not subscribing. All for free. You can create a video of 5 minutes at once, and you can create more than that in a day. But at once, in a single prompt, you can create a video of 5 minutes. Isn't this amazing? Now imagine you want to create a video of maybe 20 minutes. It means you can actually create 5 minutes and then another 5 minutes 4 times, and then you've gotten a 20-minute video for yourself using this platform. And then come down here. Once you come down here, you're going to see GPT image 1.5. You're going to see GPT image 1.5 low, and then Nano Banana Pro, and all of this. That is not what we want. Then coming down here, I'm just taking you through the interface so that you are going to be familiar with it, because even the very first day I signed up, I didn't know where to go. Like, I did not even know what to do. And then it was after spending lots of time trying to navigate through it that I got to know how to use it and how to create a very long video of 5 minutes and beyond. Now, coming down here, you can get to choose the model you want to use. You can see all of this here. Yeah, but that is not it. I'm not even here for any of this. I'm not here for sedans. I'm not here for Google View 3. I'm not here for Grok Imagine. No, today is not Grok Imagine. Now, look at where it all makes sense. See where it all makes sense. For you, if you want to subscribe for this platform, let me show you something. Let me show you something that we are missed you. Okay, let me come over to upgrade. If you want to subscribe to this platform, you will subscribe for $10 in a month, and you are going to have 1,000 credits every month, and you are going to have 50 daily credits. You are going to have access to best model, including view and sedans. Now, that is not it. I just want to show you, if at peradventure you want to sign up. Now you see $30, you see the benefit of $30, and then you see the benefit of if you are signing up with $100. Now come down, come back here. You see, already I've gotten 440 credits here. Now ask me, how did I get it? Because I've not subscribed. You can see here upgrade. This is to show you that I haven't upgraded to this platform. I haven't, and I've gotten 440 credits in just a minute. Trust me, it did not take me it didn't take me time, and I've gotten all these credits. Now let me click on it. You can see here, with this I can use to create my video, as many videos as I want to create, which I'm going to show you how you can create it. I can create as many videos as I want to create. A video of maybe 5 minutes, 10 minutes and above. Even though I need lots of credits, I can get it. This is what I did. I come over to this refer a friend. Now once you click on this refer a friend, you see here spread the love. Now I will add to this that you have to jump into this very fast as possible, because what all these AI tools does is that immediately they know that their website has started gaining traction. They will rush to make changes. They will rush to reduce the credit to nothing. Do you understand? It will amaze you to know that 150 sign up bonus they are giving you, they may end up reducing to 20. So now let me proceed to explain this point to your understanding. Now coming over here, you see, and gain free credits, spread the love and gain free credits. Can see you earn 1000 plus credits, and you can gain more than, yes, you can gain more than, because this one this 440 is just few referral. And guess what, don't worry, I'm going to explain something to you. Now coming down here, you are going to see they sign up, you both get 100 credits. Now if for instance if I copy this link and then I send to you, you click on this link to sign up, you that clicks on this link will definitely have 100 credits, and me, the owner of the link, will also have 100 credits, making everything 200 credits. Do you understand? For just one sign up, like you both shared the credits. You understand? So coming down here, you see they subscribe to a paid plan, you get 1000 credits. If at all the person you referred, you subscribe to a paid plan, you will have 1000 credits. Okay, just imagine that just for a subscription you gain up to this 1000 credits, and you can create a lot of videos. Now I'm not even talking about the paid plan, because I'm not here for anything paid. Okay, I'm here for free. Okay, now you see 3 signed up, 0 converted. Now once you copy, if you copy this link, what I did to gain this 440 credits was this: I copied the link. As I copied the link, I go to my WhatsApp and then paste it. You can see here is the link already. Okay, can you see that? Here is the link already on my WhatsApp. Then I clicked on that link. I made use of my phone to click on the link, and then once I clicked on the link, I signed up using other of my emails. I think I did that with about 3 of my emails or 4, and then they gave me this credit. And then to surprise you the more, you know, all those emails that I used in signing up, they have already given me 150 credits in all of them. Meaning if at all this particular 440 credit gets exhausted, I can still go back to those email which I have those 150 credits to create my video. Like, isn't this amazing? This is actually amazing, because I've not seen a platform like this ever since Grok made their tool to be paid. Do you understand? I've not seen a platform like this, and it's something that you need to jump in immediately, because I know definitely they are going to change the mind. They are going to reduce the credit someday, sometime, and it may be very, very soon. Who knows if it's going to be within this week or even tomorrow. Okay, because that is what they are doing. Like, I hope I've made myself clear, and I hope I've been able to explain this to your understanding. So now let's use this to create a video for us to know if actually this is working or not. So before now, I had already created a prompt that I want to use to create a video, and I have my own character ready. This is the character I want to use. So I'm going to come over here to download. Okay, you can see it's done downloading. So I'm going to come over here for the animation. I'm going to come and copy this prompt. Okay, I've copied the prompt. So let's go back to Focal. Once you get here, I'm going to click here. See here, click on this plus icon to bring in your reference image. So I'm going to click on upload media. Then it will take me to my gallery where I can access the reference image. Okay, you can see here the reference image is importing to the timeline. So you wait for it to finish. So come over to where you see make a video about hijacking something. So I'm going to paste the prompt. Remember the animation prompt I copied from ChatGPT. I'm going to come over and then take off the excess. Here is my animation prompt, and then here is my reference image. Then coming over here, you see, click here. Then you can select anyone you want to use. come down here, you can select any model you want to use. But what you need to know is that any model, like different model, is subjected to the number of credits they are going to charge you. For instance, if I'm using this Grok Imagine, you see they are going to charge me for 5 seconds. Is going to cost me, if at all I'm using Grok Imagine. So for VO3, see this. So I've chosen everything, and once you are done and everything is set, click here to send. Then wait for the response from it. It's just like you chatting using chat GPT to chat. Do you understand? So it will come after thinking. You can see it is actually thinking, vocal working. It's thinking. So they may bring up a question for you to further prompt, and then they are going to follow up from there. You can see this is an epic battle scene concept. Before I create the speak, I need to clarify. So they are going to ask you a question. This is an epic battle scene concept. Before I create the spec, I need to clarify a few things. Answer to continue. For this epic battle trailer, which aspect ratio do you prefer? So I'm going to use 16:9. And then for this one, how long should the video be? Your prompt has 8 scenes, which would be 60 plus seconds. But let me use this 30 seconds because no need of making it bulky. At this point, the video is almost ready, and let's just wait to see the results. Okay. Okay, it's done generating. So let me just go ahead to play the video for you to see the masterpiece, and for you to know that you can actually use vocal to create your videos, and up to 5-minute videos. Let's play. Can you see that? This is incredible. In fact, literally, you can actually animate your video using vocal. You can actually animate your video, and you can see that. Isn't this amazing? In fact, if by now you haven't given this video a thumbs up, you are wrong. Make sure you like this video and subscribe to this channel. Share this particular video with your friends and family and every other creator that you know. Let them know that they can still create their video, up to 5-minute video, with one single prompt in using this platform. Okay. Alright, so I'm going to stop here because the video is already quite too long. I didn't want it to be this long, but it happened. Thank you for staying till this point. See you in my next video.